So I get all of this question all the time that these AIs are there, it's going to take my job. So what should I do? Should I continue coding or should I leave my coding career and focus something else? So this AI will help you to make your work easy. It will help you to take your regular repetitive work. It will help you to automate few things. But ultimately, if you want to build a real world business, working on real world project, there you need to give your interventions. Like you cannot take the code from the AI and just put it and give it to your client if you don't understand. Right now you will see there is everybody's talking about a vibe coding, that English is going to be the new language of coding. Maybe, I don't know, I'm not the expert, I'm not the future predictor, I don't know. Maybe that could happen like after 5 years or 10 years, like maybe. Who knows the future? No one knows. Everybody is throwing their opinion. Right now it's super hot topic, everybody's talking about vibe coding, everybody's talking about AI. That same thing happened like if you go back in 200 when the calculator was invented, like everybody was so panicked that now, right now we don't need math. Like the banking sector, all the employees who are work in the bank, they will lose their job. We had seen all of those scenario in the past. So this AI will help you. Ultimately you have to improve your skills. If you really want to know that whether this coding is relevant in 2025 or beyond, you have to go find those companies who are already hiring. Check out their tech stack. Like if you go to Facebook, if you go to Google, Microsoft, why they're still hiring the developer? I can't deny the fact that still they are reducing their workforce, but this workforce are getting reduced in the support team. If you are doing a minor work in the company, you will be replaceable, there is no doubt in that. So you have to upskill yourself. You have to know how you can use this AI to leverage. If you really want to be a good developer, you have to know coding. You cannot ignore the coding part and you will be totally reliable on the vibe coding. It's not going to help you at all. You can able to build one or two simple projects to your client, but in future, it's not going to help you at all. So you have to focus on the technology. You have to learn. Once you will master the technology, you will have the understanding to build the system and how everything work under the hood. So when the AI will generate, you can understand that what is happening, how you can able to tweak based on the requirement, based on the check, based on the architecture which your client will want in that particular project. I have seen that a lot of freelancer have emerged all in sudden with the help of this AI. So yeah, using this AI, they generate the code and they're giving it, and they're just calling themselves freelancer or a developer. And when they're getting any project, and if client wants to make any changes in the architecture, they're completely lost. I've seen this kind of scenario. Like when you sit for the interview and you respond to your question by taking the help of the chat GTP, don't you think that those who takes your interview, they don't know? They know. Like I take interview, I know that who has the potential, what kind of technology they have utilized, and how they are building the project. So at the end, the only thing I want to highlight that you have to know coding. You have to be good in your subject. If you be good in subject, then you can able to leverage and use this AI agent. If you don't have any idea about the programming language, then I can give you 100% assurance that is not going to help you at all in your future. Right now, you can make simple money or simple website or small amount of money, but in the long run, is not going to help you at all. Why the company will hire you? If they want to hire a web developer, why they want to hire you? They can automate that process as well. So think logically. Think logically. Right now, it's a very hot topic. Everybody is making video, and when you will see the project they're building a simple landing page with a few attractive element, and they're using the libraries with the database. They're using SQL or a Monk. They're using the same general boilerplate, but when it's come to building a real world project, that's not how things work. When you will start working on the real world project, you will find that how you have to tweak every single thing, build the system from scratch. When the client will tell you to do the adjustment, the technology, in the security, handling the user, there's tons of things come into the picture. So open up your mind, try to learn, focus on your learning. Don't try to spend too much time watching multiple videos. I can see that a lot of you watch so many videos around the same topics, and that's how this algorithm got designed. The more you watch the same type of video, you will get again and again. So think logically. Think logically that if the company need vibe coder, then why they want to hire them? Why they can automate the same thing? Think logically that how far you want to go in the field of development. Things are changing. Like nothing is permanent. Like things will change according to times. Things will evolve. Things will develop, getting improved. Every single thing will happen. So you as a developer, you as a user, you have to update yourself. You have to understand, you have to find out the tools which help you to foster your development. You have to understand how you can use the technology which you have learned to deliver the project. So things will change. Things will, like new tools, new software, new programming language will come. So your job as a developer to learn constantly and focus on your route. Try to understand the market. Try to focus on the company, that what their requirement is, what kind of hiring they're doing, whether it's a field of web 3, web 2. Focus on that. Focus on that. Don't try to watch and spend too much time around this video. So that's the only thing I want to talk about. Hope you have understood and you will start focusing on learning rather than watching these too many videos about vibe coding. Okay. So that's the only thing from my end. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.